Today in my shop, I'm making a really powerful cold and flu elixir, and I'll show you how to do it. The original recipe for this elixir I learned through the Herbal Academy, but of course, this recipe, I had to step it up and make it my own. Basically what an elixir is a tincture, but it's sweetened. This will kick the flu out. And you're gonna need raw, unfiltered, organic honey and brandy. Okay, now get yourself a mason jar that will hold 4 cups. Now combine all your herbs into the mason jar. They're always so pretty. Now you're gonna take the brandy and you're gonna pour it until your mason jar is about 3/4 full. Now you're gonna top it with your honey and you're gonna fill it up until there is 1 inch of space available still in the mason jar. Take the end of a wooden spoon and you kind of want to just make sure everything is covered, move it around a little bit, get rid of any air bubbles. Cover the jar and store it in a cool, dark area for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it daily. When it's all done, you're going to strain it and then it's ready. And this will store for up to a year. Now you'll have it ready and available in your cabinet if anybody comes down with the cold or the flu. You're going to take 2 to 3 teaspoons every 2 to 3 hours when you feel this cold coming on. Let thy food be thy medicine.